Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Sagar, and today we are breaking down on one of the most confusing topics for employees, CTC versus take home salary. If you've ever wondered why your offer letter says a big amount but your bank account shows a smaller one, this video is for you. Most of you will have a question in mind: why is your in hand pay always lower? Well, most employees think CTC is their salary. It's not. Let me show you exactly what part you actually get in hand and what you not. CTC stands for cost to the company. It simply means everything the company spends on you in a year, not just your salary, but also PF, gratuity, insurance, bonuses, benefits, allowances, everything combined for you. Standard CTC structure has three main components. One, fixed salary. It includes basic salary, HRA, allowances. Second, variable component. It includes performance bonus, incentives, company bonuses. Third is employer contribution. Employer contributes 12% of basic salary as part of your PF contribution. Employer also pays SIC as applicable. Gratuity is paid at 4.81% of your basic salary. What is take home salary? It is the actual amount you get in your bank account each month. This is after reducing taxes and statutory deductions from your total CTC. Coming back to the main question, why is your take home lower than your CTC? It is because CTC includes many items that you never receive in cash. Some money goes to PF, some to taxes, some to insurance, and some is only payable in the future, like gratuity. Let's take an example. If your CTC is 12 lakh per year, this is how it may look. I've considered a basic of 50,000 per month. Your fixed salary would be 75,395. Gratuity will be 2,405, which you'll get after a certain duration in the company. Employer and your yourself PF contribution will be 6,000 each. That will be 12,000 per month. Professional tax approximately 200 per month. For Feb it will be 250 or 300 rupees per month. And bonuses, considering 100%, 10% of your CTC as part of your variable pay. So 10,000 will be your per month bonus. So combine everything, you will get 79,195 in hand as compared to your 12 lakh CTC. There are common misunderstandings. Employees think CTC equals in hand salary, but CTC is a budget, not a salary paid. Your in hand depends on how your package is structured. On how to negotiate your salary breakup, you need to ask certain questions to your recruiter. What will be your monthly take home? How much of the salary is fixed and how much is the variable? What deduction? If this helped you understand CTC versus take home, hit like, subscribe, and comment below on which HR topic I should simplify next. See you in the next video. Thank you for your time.